Hey everybody, welcome back. So this is a channel update, nothing really specific, just kind of talk about some general things going on. Today is May 5th. Season has been done for about a month now. We've been getting a ton of rain in the Northeast. If you live up here, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. It seems like it's been raining for the last month nonstop. But as far as the season, we had a very good season. We probably had about 7 or 8 trips. I still have 2 trips that I need to edit. It's just a matter of time. The Adventure ran great, no issues. The Axis ran great, no issues. A couple things I have to do on the Axis, and there'll be an update about that in the future, but it's basically we're going to install some reinforcing ears on the front to correct a known weak point for the bumper mounts. And we'll talk about my thoughts on the Ice Ripper Cobra pre-studded track with a 1.6 lug. XCR is back. It's hiding out there in the corner. That thing ran great. Didn't get a lot of miles on it this year because unfortunately when we had snow in my area, pretty much what was going on, we were already up north, and then by the time we got back, snow melted. So we had a lot of snow up north, but not a lot of snow in southern New Hampshire. Matter of fact, I don't think the clubs even had more than a week of runtime with the weather. So, but more on the 440 in the upcoming off season. What we're going to be doing is I'm going to be putting Fox shocks in the front and Fox shocks in the rear skid. If you guys remember, right now this is just running the Extra 10 suspension with the throwaways in there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put Fox shocks in it to keep it true to the XCR name. Another thing we did is, if you ever watch my videos, you probably have noticed that the garage doors I had were really bad, and we replaced these garage doors last week with my buddy Mike. He was over here helping me out. So the old wooden rotten doors are finally gone, but because of the solid doors, we are lacking some light in here. So another project we're going to do is we're going to putting some additional lighting in the garage to light up the space, because right now it's kind of dark in here. So it's kind of a challenge, but so right now, the garage literally looks like a bomb went off in it. There's not a lot of space to walk around. All the stuff from the doors from last weekend is still out. So I'm going to spend probably about 2 or 3 hours in here cleaning everything up. Another thing that we did is we replaced the wheels and tires on my wife's Jeep. So for those of you that subscribe to my channel for the Jeep, these are 33s. On stock Rubicon wheels. These are Falcon Wall Peaks, and the size is, let me see if I can remember this, 285 70 17s. Essentially they're 33s, no wheel spacers or anything like that. They look great, they ride great. These are E range tires. I'll have a separate video on these after about a week, but these fit, no issues, no lift, no rub. So stay tuned for that. There will be a video on replacing a broken wheel stud. That will be published shortly. So yeah, other than that, not much going on. So just need to do a lot of housekeeping in here, because right now you can't even walk around. So, all right. So as far as the season, as far as the mileage count, the Adventure probably got around 600 or 700 miles on it, because really that sled is really for my wife and my daughter, and you know, it didn't get used that much. As far as the Axis probably got about 1,200 miles on it, and the Axis ran great, no issues, very happy with it. But again, I'll have a more of a in-depth review, thoughts, concerns about the Axis in a future video, just so I'm not rambling on for 20 minutes about it. So, all right, that's about it. I hope you guys had a great season. If there's any questions, concerns, throw them in the comments box, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.